Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, and I'm back with another painting. I am going to try an experiment. I may actually try this on a smaller canvas because I'm not entirely sure how this is going to work out, and then I'll use the leftover paint in some way, shape, or form. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flip cup. I am going to add some alcohol to the colors, and I am going to do a flip cup with silver instead of white. I seen somebody do this on YouTube, but it was like almost a year ago before when that video came out. So I want to try it, and I'm gonna try to rainbow color it a little bit. The silver that I'm using is this Artist Loft Floetrol, and the colors I'm going to use, I'm trying to use some of these craft paints that I have, because I have a ton of craft paint that I need to use and get out of the way. So I'm going to use this Nicole's red. I use some of this Anita's Mandarin for the orange, Anita's Canary yellow. And as y'all can see, like, my hands are huge, because like y'all know how big these bottles are. Well, they're not really that big, but like in my hands is like super huge. In this deep denim from Anita's. So I'm going to put them all in a flip cup with the silver. I'm probably going to just put some silver in the bottom, layer the other colors on top, and probably drop a little bit more silver into it, flip it and see what we come up with. So this is going to be awesome. I think so. I hope you think so. And we're going to get this thing popping. Welcome back. Okay, y'all. So, full disclosure, I did say that this was an experiment, or at least I hope I said that, because that experiment failed dramatically. The silver is just pretty much gone, and the only thing here is the colors, which, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, I like it a lot, but yeah, all of the all of the silver is gone. So I think for the next experiment, I'm gonna do it like right after this. I don't know when the videos are gonna come out and how close they're gonna come out together, but I am going to put some silicone in the silver and then pour the other colors into it and try that again. But let's take a look at this one. All right, so we're gonna start here. You can see that I like the way that the alcohol makes cells and webbing and all of that kind of stuff way more than the silicone. So I'm going to try the silicone, and you can see all of the colors are represented, which I like, because a lot of times where I do stuff like this, the colors will sometimes muddy together. So you can see there's a little bit of silver in there, but not a whole lot. And also I kind of didn't put enough paint, so I had to put some blue on here and let it kind of stretch over it. But here is the painting. Yeah, I'm going to try this again, and I'm going to try this again like right after this video is done. So thank you all for checking your boy out, facebook.com/PTCAC. And I tried the website thing, didn't quite work out, so I'm going to try a different kind of website thing. So keep tuned, and we're going to come back with more paintings. Peace out. Do the thing. Like, share, subscribe. You know, the things. Bye. Or peace. Yeah, peace.